السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته مام.
وعليكم
وبركاته.
السلام ورحمة الله
السلام عليكم
وبركاته.
ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. Okay, all of you have the same icon, is it? The
Yeah.
profile
We do
picture.
have, we
I
change
made
it like
it.
every single week. Or something.
Assalamu
I
alaikum.
made it for everyone.
Walaikum assalam. Good.
I made it for
Alhamdulillah.
everyone. Then I had it for a while. Now I changed it into this.
But the moment you
Yeah,
join,
we're
you
supposed
can
to have
see
it for
the
1 week.
rings
You what?
everywhere.
We're supposed to have
Okay.
it for 1 week. Well, then we were
Okay.
Yeah,
supposed to
we had
change
it for
it.
like so many days.
All right. So, how are you all doing
Good.
before we
Alhamdulillah.
get started?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah. All right. So, children, let us get started. So, I hope you know that there is an exciting event coming up the next week. Do you all know what it is? STEM.
Then
No.
Yes. So, inshallah, once you receive the documents of what we have planned, we will discuss about your projects in detail, okay? So you will have
Miss,
some coding task to do. Yes, Zahra?
The report card is in our emails, right?
The report card, what? Come again?
Our report card is in our parents' email, right?
Yes. The report cards, the progress sheet is already sent to your parents in the form of an email. Okay, so let us get started. What were we discussing about in the previous class? We spoke about what? Do you remember?
Program
Scratch programming.
Scratch programming.
Where?
Yeah.
More about Scratch programming. What is involved in Scratch programming? Anyone who remembers?
Algorithm.
The concept.
Algorithm.
What is the concept? No, we spoke about different concepts that are involved in programming. So whenever you correct.
Sequence selection, variables.
Perfect. Very good, Fatima. So we have selection, sequence. What else?
iteration.
Iteration. Perfect. We
Pro-
have 6 of them, 6 to 7.
Procedure.
Procedure,
Operator.
operator,
Seizure.
variables,
Interaction.
interaction, and anything else that we have missed?
Seizure.
Seizure, what is seizure?
No, we wrote it down.
Procedure, there is
Yeah,
nothing called as seizure, there is something called as procedure. There is one more that you are missing, children.
Operator.
Operator is done, variable is done. Let me tell you what
Sequence.
Selection.
is done, selection. Okay, let me tell you. Selection, sorry, sequence, selection, then comes
Khat not waqta.
operators, iteration is done. Something related in
Interaction.
accordance. Yes, interaction is what was missing. So yes, these were the concepts that we discussed in the previous class. So today we are going to deal with variables. So when you say variables, what are variables?
A variety.
Let
to
me
store data.
quickly share my screen. Very good, Hannah. Variables are used to store data. What kind of data are variables store?
Like
Variables.
if the score is equal to like 6
Variable
or
is
something.
used to, very good, store data. So today,
Like computer choice and all.
correct. So when we talk about variables, the data, some data is getting stored inside a variable. So today's class, we will see what are the different types of data that can be stored inside a variable. So today we are going to look into about different data types. So when I say
Ma'am?
data types,
Ma'am, could
Ma'am.
you tell them not to draw on the screen?
yes, of course, nobody's drawing on the screen. Let me turn off the annotation mode. Okay, now nobody's gonna draw. All right, so data types. So when I say data types, what kind of data can be stored inside a variable? Let us choose a variable. Can you give me a variable name? Can you give me a name?
Score?
Score. Children, just give me a minute. I'll quickly turn on the charger and be back.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I am back. I am back. All right. Yes, the score. What kind of data a score can hold?
Numbers.
Numbers. Very good. So when you say numbers, is it a whole number? So let me say a number score as 65. So is it a whole number or is it a decimal value?
Whole number.
Whole number.
So when it is a whole number, we call it as the integer. So the first data type is integer. All right, children, let me quickly put you all on focus mode because
Ma'am,
there
is
is Mohammed here.
Ma'am, is it integer or integer?
Integer.
No, I wrote it.
Mm, integer. Just a minute. Yeah, it's integer. All right. So integers are nothing but whole numbers. What are integers? They are
Miss,
whole
can I go get some
numbers.
water?
Yes. Next, can you give me another variable?
A computer choice?
What do you say when you say computer choice? What kind of data do you think it can
Subroutine.
have?
Algorithm?
No, children, I just need a name. As now you gave me the name as score, the variable name as score. The score is a whole number that is stored. Anything else that you can come up with as a variable name?
Jack.
Like fruit
Name?
or apple.
Okay. Apple, it can be variety of apples or fruit.
Like my favorite fruit is apple.
Yes, let us have my variable name as my favorite fruit or just a favorite fruit. Oh my God, favorite.
Ma'am, there are two more data types, right?
My favorite fruit. Okay.
Ma'am, should we write all of these?
No, first I want you all to pay attention. I'll tell you when to write it. Okay. My favorite fruit. What kind of data do you think it is holding? So can you give me an example for my favorite fruit? What can I store? Apple. Oh, let's go with apple. So apple is a word. It is a combination of all letters. So what kind of data type is this? This is called,
Character?
no, this is called as string.
String?
Collection of characters is called string.
Oh, I think we learned this.
Yes. We have discussed this in past. So what is this? This is nothing but collection or group of characters.
Teacher, I thought it was like discrete data continuous, that one.
That's different. Okay. That's completely different. Okay. Group of characters that we will have that in managing data when we are using Excel sheet. But this, since we are using programming language, it stores different kinds of data. These are the different types of data that can be stored. Let me put them over here quickly.
Underscore
All
calculus.
right. I'll make you write, but not now, later.
Okay.
Next is maybe a computer option. I can have my variable to be as computer option. What do you think the data can be stored? When you say option, what kind of data can be stored?
Like Dell or something? MacBook,
When it is
Apple.
options, I'm sure you all have used options in while answering multiple choice questions. So what do
Yeah.
you do there? Assuming that we are playing with computer and computer has asked us to enter a option. So what do you enter there? Will you enter the complete sentence, word, or just letters or
We can do
numbers?
A, B, or C or like that.
Exactly. So when we say A, B, or C, just one character, it is called as one
Character.
letter. It is called as character. The option could be A, the option could be 1, the option could be anything from your keyboard. Even the special characters like hashtag, percentage, dollar symbol, they all come under category called as characters. So a single letter or single option or a single case from the keyboard is called as a character. So there is another data type called as character, which includes only one letter, symbol, or also a number becomes a character. So what is a character? Character is a single letter. It's a single letter or
I'm eating in your class.
special.
No.
You can say
Size.
Are you
letters
eating
or
in your class?
symbols. It
Yeah.
can be a
How can
single
you focus in
letter
the class?
or
Symbol.
a symbol or also a number can be considered as a character. So children, can you tell me what are the different types of data we have? We have 3 different types of data. One is integer, that is a whole number, character, that is single letter or symbol or a number, or we have another data type we have is a string, which is group of letters. It can be your name, it can be a message, but all that falls under the data type called as string. Am I clear?
Yes.
Everyone? Have you all understood the concept of data types?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So children, what you can do is, in that notebook, you can draw a line like this and you can write this in your notebook. Let me, this is the example for an integer.
What should we write in an notebook?
Just bear with me for a moment. I'll give you the heading to be written. You can write the heading as data types. This is the example for a character.
Ma'am, what should we write?
Okay. Take out a fresh new page, write today's date.
Miss, right now
You
I'm
can
not in
write
my
the
room.
heading as data type.
Miss, right now I'm not in my room, so can I do this as homework?
How will you do this as homework? You're not in, what did you say? You're not in the room?
I'm not in like my place now.
Okay.
You can
All
go
right.
get your book.
Is it possible to get your book?
I'm not in my
Yes.
place.
Yes, Fatima. All right. Okay. Got it.
I'll take a
Please take a
screenshot.
screenshot and keep it, and you may write it in your notebook later. So children, you can neatly divide the page into half and then write all of this. I hope you all have understood the concept. If there is any issue, you can let me know. I'm going to explain it to you again. Please write today's date. It is 04/11/25. So there are three data types that we will be dealing with. The first one is the integer, which holds a whole number. Second one is a character. Character is just a single letter. It can be a symbol or it can be a number as well. Next, moving on to the string. String is group of characters. It can form a word, it can form your name, it can also form a message. Good morning, hello. All these come under the data type called as string. I would like to add another data type here, which is not there in your textbook, but you need to know about it. It is something called as float. Now, what do I mean by this float? Float is, again, children, a value, a decimal value. So, a float. I would want you all to add another data type, that is float. What does this contain in it? It contains a decimal value, a decimal number. Can you give me an example of a decimal number, a value, or a variable that stores a decimal value? Yes?
67.5.
What is it for? I want you to give me a variable name for it. Okay, I
Money.
have the value, money, currency. Isn't it? I can have the data, a variable name as currency. So my currency is currency. So it can be, yes, Fatima, could you give me the value? Yes, Fatima Sadi.
67.5.
67.5. So whenever you have this point, then it becomes a float data type. So the best example that Fatima has given is a currency.
Miss, where is Inaya today? Is she not feeling well or
Yes,
something?
Inaya is not well, children. Okay, so let me write the data type as float.
Ma'am, should we draw the line? Then should we write like integers?
Yes. I want you to draw the way it is on my board.
Okay.
Children, is my screen visible to all of them?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Are you all able to follow? Okay. So children, if you want, you can highlight the data types. Let me easily change the color here. we have the data types to be integer, we have character. Let's move. Then we have something called as string. And we have something called as float. So if you would like to highlight and underline, you're welcome to do so. And I want you all to draw a line and then have all the examples written. Is it confusing?
No.
Okay, alhamdulillah.
No.
Yeah. No, teacher, it's not confusing.
Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, so the next R, we have assembly. I hope you all join the assembly.
I'm excited. And teacher, in my group of Quran class with everybody, there's one grade 7 girl, and I asked her if she was nervous, and she said, "Yes, I'm very nervous."
Ma'am,
You
in
do be a
class-
little nervous. You will be a little nervous, but once it gets started, then you will all be settled. You will not feel so.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I'm done.
All right, the
Writing.
ones who are done, I want you all to open your textbook. Go to page number 25 in the textbook.
Ma'am, we don't
Meanwhile,
have computing textbook.
Ahaya and Maha, have you ordered it? Any chance of you getting them?
I don't know.
All right.
Ma'am, in fifth class, I don't feel comfortable. I'm only the one who is in fifth grade. Everybody's in seventh grade.
Well, there is nothing to get uncomfortable, isn't it? We are all here to learn and explore.
Teacher, the first, not, I think it was the first one. Like when I joined the school, there was a UAE National Day assembly, and I was the only grade 3 girl, and I was the youngest, and I and I felt a bit uncomfortable.
Okay. Well, children, you may need not get uncomfortable because we are all here to learn and explore, isn't it? Yes
Yeah,
or
in
no?
my fifth class also there are three grade 7 girls, but I like it.
Yes, Liana.
Done, ma'am.
Liana, we cannot hear you, Liana. I cannot hear you. Are you on mute? No, dear, we are not able to hear you. Check your mic. Yes, Liana. Speak up.
Teacher, I'm coming back.
But you said that was everything.
Mohammed, are you here? I cannot see you, Mohammed. Mohammed, did you understand the concept? Just show me a thumbs up if you have understood.
Teacher, can
And
I
I
do
want-
a line in the teacher, can I
Yes.
draw a line in the under this thing because there's not enough place in there.
Okay, you may.
Ma'am, I did it like that. Is it okay?
Teacher, now can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Inaya, perfectly. Can you please lift the book up, Fatima, Aslam? A little more up? Yes, it's perfectly fine. Yes, Liana.
Last year, in my Arabic class, I was the only grade 4 student, and then whenever I used to join the exam day, I feel like वो शांत हो जाए once we get finish the exam.
Okay. All right. So, children, I'll repeat again. There is nothing to get uncomfortable. I know maybe you would feel that, but it's just a human tendency. But since we are all here to learn, let us remove that thought from our mind and let us learn wholeheartedly. May it be Hifz, may it be Arabic or any subject. I know you would miss your friends at that particular time, but what is important is what you're learning from the teacher, isn't it? Yes, what is
Yeah.
important is how well you are getting the concepts right. So the more quick you are, the more quicker you can grow up. So do not get distracted, do not feel lonely. It's okay. Everything is fine. We are here to learn and explore. Okay? All right.
Yeah.
On that note, has everyone completed writing?
Yeah, I'm writing the exam last one.
Okay.
I'm writing
Please
the
be a
exam.
little quick. The ones who have already done, I want you all to open your learner's book. Go to page number 25.
Okay.
Computer option and
This is the page with the string.
Yes.
this purple one. In teacher.
Teacher, is it page number 16?
No,
Which
dear,
page
25, 25.
Oh.
I will share my screen once you're all done. Please give me a thumbs up so that I can share my
Whoa.
screen with you all. Okay,
Done,
Fatima
done.
are done, Liana is done. Hannah? I think I'm waiting for Hannah. Maha and Haya done? Just show me a thumbs up.
Apple.
Okay.
And,
Mariam?
teacher done.
Done. All right. Mohammed done? Okay, he's done. Let me stop sharing my screen. Now, let me quickly share the textbook page with you all. Are you all able to see my screen? Yes. I want you all to be, so this is what we discussed, children, the data types, integer, character, then comes the string. Here there is some questions. Let us solve them. The first one, ask block. How old are you? What do you think the data type would be? Let me read the question to you all. The scratch blocks below all require an input of a certain data type. For each block, discuss with your partner which data type the block uses. So when I type, what is your age? So what is the age that you are going to type? If I ask you, what would be the number?
10.
Okay.
Character.
11.
Is it a whole number? Is it a character? Is it an
Whole
integer?
Whole number.
Whole number.
Integer.
It's a whole number. So children, here we can either put it under an integer or we can put it under a character. Since we are not performing any calculation here, this will become a character. So the first question is the character. Are you understanding why character?
No.
Yes.
Yes. This is just a number, isn't it? Are we performing any calculation for this number? No. If we had to add or subtract, then it would become a integer. But basically here it is a character. Can you please write it as character on the top?
Miss, today in CT class we have assembly, right?
Yes. So this is the character. Question number 2. Change size by -20. What is it?
It's the
It's
float. Is it a float?
string. String.
No, number. It is a number, integers. Children, positive or negative, it is a whole number, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it is an integer. So this is an integer. Integer are both, children, positive and negative. Integer. The next one, number 3, turn 15 degrees.
Integer.
15 is the number. Integer. Perfect. Please write integer. Next. Question number 4. What is it?
Character.
Is it only one letter that is given there?
Oh, it's a string.
Yeah, there are group of letters. Do you see there is H, there is M, M. It may continue as well.
And
So
the
this
last
is a
one,
string. Group of characters.
But teacher, like for the first one, ask how old are you? Like we wrote it as character.
Yes, Liana, it is just a number
Oh, okay.
where no calculations are needed. A string, you need to understand something. A character is a single letter or a number or any special symbols. Here, since we are not performing any calculations, the number age, how old are you? 5, 10, 12, 25, will become a character. Okay. And on the other hand, the number 4, it is So it can be HMM. So it's group of letters. There are 3 letters. So it is a string. Yes, Hannah.
Okay.
But teacher, doesn't the character also be a string because it has a symbol?
Which one?
The first one, ask how old are you? It has a symbol there.
This is just a message. This is just a message that is asking you. The question is, the input is required from the user. So we are giving the input to the computer. That is what we are judging here on.
Okay.
Okay, the next one, wait 5 seconds. 1 second.
Miss, can I on the AC and just come?
Yes, dear.
What is wait 1 second? That's not even.
Yeah, wait 1 second. So there is a number here. What is the number?
Integer.
Integer. Perfect. Please write it as integer.
Already wrote it.
Great.
Teacher. Done.
Now let us move on to the next. So let's move on to the next page. I want you all to go to the next page. So have you come across about a chatbot? What does a chatbot do?
It chats to you.
It chats
is it
to
like
you.
ChatGPT?
It's like a chat GPT. You ask a question and it will respond. So children, you have a task to do. But before we get on to the task, I want you all to highlight something here. Let's understand what is a chatbot. A chatbot is a program that has been designed to speak and respond to a user in a human way. Don't you think even ChatGPT, the moment you type the question, it's going to respond you with all the details as though you're talking to a human? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, there are a few websites where you drop a message if you're trying to inquire or get information. The moment you type in the chat box, they say hello, it'll ask you for your name, it'll greet you, and then it'll give you the questions and suggestions. Have you come across any website as such?
Gemini.
No. Okay. All right. So children, your task is to create a chatbot. So how are you going to create a chatbot? These are certain blocks. So you are going to combine. So what are you going to use? So here there are certain set of codes. I want you all to go through these codes.
Okay.
You can do it right now. Please read them to yourself. Is it done?
Done. Ma'am, we did this in offline school. Amina ma'am made us do it.
Okay. All right. So what's happening here? What are the constructs do you think is being used here? Is the program in a sequence?
Yes.
Okay, that is one of the construct that is being used here. So let's go through what the program says. Can anyone read the program? I want Mohammed to read the program. Mohammed, could you please read the program what's given here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please read what is the program that is given here?
Yes, then can I also do something also? Can I also read something?
Yes, Zahra, let's give a chance to Mohammed. Yes, Mohammed, please be a little quick.
When
Please read
click
the program.
the green flag,
When
say
green flag
hello,
clicked. Yes.
say hello, my name is James for 2 seconds. Ask what your name and wait. Say join answer. It's a nice name for 2 seconds. Ask how old you are and wait. Say join. So you must have been born around current year answer.
Okay. So here, children, there is a set of instructions that are given. So a conversation is happening between a computer and the person who is using it. So you have to create this program in Scratch. Will you all be able to create this program on Scratch?
Ma'am.
Yes. So let me tell you before we get into
Yes,
Scratch, let me tell you the different block of codes that are used. So this is the event block. This block, you can find it in the looks block. Do you see this is something called as join? This combines the two sentences. It combines the answer and it also combines another message. Maybe if you type your name is Hannah. So it says Hannah is a nice name. It's going to combine both the sentence and display it on the screen. Do you think there is an interaction going on in this program? Yes, there is an interaction. Based on your answer, the computer is responding. So this is one of the construct that is inside this program. Now, I want you all to quickly log into Scratch and create this program. Will you keep this program ready by the next class? That's
Yes.
tomorrow.
Yes.
And tomorrow
Miss,
we
but
will
we still have
solve.
3 minutes.
Yes, I know you still have 3 minutes. I will give you time to work on Scratch. Tomorrow, when we meet up, we are going to solve few questions that are here in the book. Okay? There are
Okay.
few questions that we will be solving in tomorrow's class. So we will be making use of the operators, the variables, and also a join block to display the values. You can just read them once. I suggest you all to read the question once from your notebook, from the textbook. Shall I
Okay.
stop sharing my screen?
Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, but how will Haya and Maha do it?
I will share the screenshot with Haya and Maha tomorrow in the class so that they can follow and do it. Haya and Maha, I'm going to share this a screenshot with you all now so that you can keep this program ready by the next class. So when we meet up tomorrow, I want you all to have this program ready. Okay. I have shared this in the chat box to all so that you can just download it and complete this in Scratch. You all have to create your own accounts on Scratch. I believe that you all have accounts on Scratch.
Yes, Miss, I've logged into it.
Okay, great. The ones who have not logged into Scratch, I will share a link right
Teacher, I
now.
log in every time, but then it gets lost.
Yeah, it gets lost. It goes away. Then I have to again log in with a different username and a different password.
Okay, well, in that case, children, please remember the
Yes, I
username and password.
downloaded the app.
If you have downloaded, it's great. You can use it from your system. If you have not downloaded, you can click on this link. Maha and Haya, you can click on this link, create your own accounts. There are few steps to follow. Please follow them. Put in a password, put in a Gmail ID to get your account
We already
authorized.
logged in.
Mama, last my
The
mom
ones
to.
who have logged in, great. But the
Mama,
ones who have not logged in, you can ask your parents to log in.
okay.
Okay? All right.
Assalamualaikum, ma'am.
All right. So children, the time is up, but I request
Okay.
you all
Teacher,
to complete
instead
this
of saying
program.
the name is
by
James, can I say something else?
Where? Yes.
Instead of James,
Can we
can
say
I
our
say
Still
own name?
scratch
You all can put your own
still the
names.
scratch.
Okay.
Okay?
No.
You can modify the program. Okay, what's
Cricket
happening? Okay. Sorry.
Who was that?
All right, children. I will stop sharing my screen. Sorry. We shall end. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yes, you may all join for the assembly.
Which link should we join?
The link will be shared in the group. Okay, Sister Nilufer would have shared the link. Please check your.
Teacher, I can't find ask that. Oh, I found it.
Okay. All right.